Hi, I'm Scott, and I want to show you something pretty amazing. This AI picture frame that I built from scratch. I originally created this for a workshop to inspire young students about AI, and I thought, what better way to show them how far image generation has come than to put it right in their hands? And what makes this device so special is the entire device runs completely offline. No internet, no cloud services, no subscription fees. Just type in any prompt you can imagine and in about 3 minutes, it generates a professional quality image. And I want to show you how this works. But just to also note that a few years ago, this would have been impossible. But today, I built this over the weekend. So let's take a look at this device. What is it? It is a Raspberry Pi, which is a small circuit board, and it has a processing unit on it. It has various input ports like USB ports, HDMI ports, similar things. I put an active cooler on it so that it keeps the temperature of the CPU operating in a more optimal temperature. And I even attached this touchscreen 3 by 5 inch LCD screen. Now, this thing is really kind of useless by itself, but this is the brains of the operation, this little chip. So I can simply insert this here, push it down, and voila. Now my AI picture frame will come to life as soon as I plug it in. Let's plug this in. Simply insert the USB-C connection, and I will rotate this so you can see it. It is starting to boot up. Doesn't take long to boot up, but as you can see, there is an image of a dog on the screen. So here's what we're going to do. Let's change that. I'm going to attach this keyboard into a USB slot. There we go. Touch screen. And the prompt, if you can read it, just in case that's fuzzy, it says, type what you would like to create. And then there's a button that says generate image. So what should we type in here? Let's type in something different. How about this? I will put it down, and I have attached this beautiful light up keyboard just for fun. And I'm going to type in a beautiful plate of cinnamon toast. And you can see, it's kind of hard to tell in the video, but there is a progress bar here showing progress. And unfortunately, sorry about that, it's a little fuzzy, that resolution there. And I have a lot of lighting in this room, so it makes it kind of hard to see, but it is working. And in about 3 minutes, usually a little bit less, it will produce a beautiful plate of cinnamon toast if all goes well. All right, I've been standing here waiting for this to finish, and look at that right there. A delicious plate of cinnamon toast, something I grew up on. If you have not had that before, I'm so sorry you are missing out. Maybe I should give you the recipe as part of this gift basket that I plan to give this gadget away. But as you can see, it's right there. And now I'll use the keyboard in my other hand and simply show you, oh, I can touch the screen here and I can generate something else, or I can simply go back to this image. So what's great about this is no internet required, works. All you do is just leave it plugged in. You don't have to worry about on this LCD screen any burn-in or anything. So I do have a screensaver that, turns on after so many minutes, but this could sit on your desk. And, if you have a rainy day, type in, I want a beautiful, serene beach photo, and it'll give you that with no rain. If you want to just do silly stuff like give me a cat in a hat, well, it'll do that. In fact, let's try that right now. Great, I just typed in a silly cat in a hat. So let's let this process, and momentarily this image should be produced. I can hear it working. Surprisingly for the Raspberry Pi, it's amazingly quiet and efficient. I'm kind of blown away at these devices. Huge Raspberry Pi fan now. I had not used one previously, so I didn't really know what to expect, but makes it so easy to run basic Unix commands and simple Python programs and that sort. Ah, silly cat in a hat. So you can get even more creative than that. But this shows you the power of the amazing AI picture frame, again, built over the weekend. So hope whoever receives this as part of the workshop enjoys it, or it may just collect dust somewhere.